Hello everybody, this is me Vinu Venkatesh on behalf of Sai Education for Comparative Examinations. So I hope you're following all our lectures. Let us start a new topic today. It is called mixture and alligation. We have done many of these questions before in previous lectures. But let us anyway go through it because it's a very interesting and important topic. Simple but important to understand how to do it. So the first question we have done in our lecture on averages, so I'm not going to do it. Please try it yourself. Second one also is from the averages lecture. Let's do the third one. We have done a similar one, but let's do it anyway. The total population of a village is 5,000. The number of males and females increases by 10% and 15% respectively, and consequently the population of the village becomes 5,600. What was the number of males in the village? That is, what was the number of the males in the village originally? So, total population is 5,000. Let number of males be equal to x. Let number of females be equal to y. Therefore, x plus y, that is males plus females, is equal to 5,000. Correct? Now they are saying the males have increased by 10%. Therefore, the total males now will be what? X plus 10% of x, which is 1.1x. Similarly, females have increased by 15%. So the number of females now 15%. So the number of females now is x plus 15 by 100 into x, which is 1.15x. Therefore, 1.1x plus 1.15y is equal to 5,600. That's what the question is saying, that the males have increased by 10% and females have increased by 15%, and so the total population has increased from 5,000 to 5,600. Okay, so we have two simultaneous equations. Now we know how to solve the simultaneous equations, and when you solve, you will get y is equal to 2,000, and when you substitute this value of y in the first equation or second equation, you will get x is equal to 3,000, which is the original number of males. Got it? Okay, number 4. A man invests rupees 3,500 into two parts at simple interest, one at 4% and other at 6%. If his yearly income from investment is 170, how much did he invest at 6%? Right. So let amount invested at simple interest in the first case be equal to x rupees, which is invested at 4%. Therefore, amount invested at simple interest second case will be 3,500 minus x. That is, it is invested at 6%. Therefore, income from the first case would be x into 4 by 100 into 1. Why? It is 1 year. They said that yearly income is 170. So for 1 year, the income from the first investment is 0.04x using this formula. Similarly, income from the second simple interest investment will be what? 3,500 minus x into 6% into 1 year, which is 210 minus 0.06x. Okay. So 0.04x plus 210 minus 0.06x is equal to 170. That is, this is the total yearly income for that person, which the question says is equal to 170. When you solve for x, you will get 2,000. Therefore, amount invested at simple interest, this is simple interest at 6%, would be 3,500, total amount invested, minus 2,000, which is 1,500. Right, we are right, okay? I hope you are understanding. Please follow it. It's simple, it's not difficult. Let's move on to question number 5. In 40 liters of mixture containing milk and water, the ratio of milk and water is 3:1. How much water should be added to the mixture so that the ratio of milk to water becomes 2:1? Okay. Therefore, let quantity, so the total quantity is 40 liters. Therefore, quantity of milk would be 3 by 4 into 40. How did I get 3 by 4? They say that the ratio of milk to water is 3:1, right? Therefore the portion of milk in the total mixture would be 3/4 milk, 1/4 water. This is milk and this is water. Okay, so 3:1 is a ratio. So portion or the quantity of milk, the portion of milk would be 3 divided by 4. How did I get 4? 3 plus 1, which is equal. So 3 by 4 into 40. 3 by 4 into 40 will give me the total quantity of milk. Portion of milk as per the ratio into total quantity, which is 30 liters. Therefore, water is nothing but 40 minus 30 liters of milk, which is 10 liters. Okay. So, let the quantity of water to be added be equal to x. Therefore, new quantity of the mixture is 40 plus x. Correct? You're adding x liters of water to the mixture. So the mixture becomes 40 plus x. Now, quantity of milk remains at 30 liters. It is the same. There is no change in the quantity of milk. But they are saying now that the ratio of milk to water in the new quantity should be 2:1. Therefore, portion of milk is what? 2 divided by 2 plus 1, which is 2 divided by 3. Okay. This is 2 plus 1. So this will be that. So it will be 2 divided by 3. This means that 2 divided by 3 into the new total quantity, 40 plus x, is equal to 30, because there's no change in the quantity of milk. We are only adding water, nothing else. When you solve for x, you will get 5 liters of water. So this means this is the quantity of water that must be added in order to make the ratio of milk to water to become 2:1. Is that clear? All right. This is actually number 6, not number 13, so it's a typo. 2 equal glasses are half and 2/3 of milk respectively. Okay, the two are completely filled up with water. The contents of the 2 glasses are then mixed in another vessel. Find the ratio of milk and water in the vessel. All right. So let the quantity of mixture in each glass, that is milk plus water, be equal to x. Now we are told that the first glass has is filled half with milk and then water is added. So water plus milk in the first glass and in the second glass, the total quantity is equal. Let that quantity be x. Therefore, amount of milk in the first glass, G1, is equal to half of x. Correct? Because it says it's half is water. Therefore, water is also equal to x by 2, because half is milk, half is water. In the second glass, G2, amount of milk is 2/3 of x, because that's what is given in the question. Therefore, water will be what? It will be x minus 2 by 3 x, which is x by 3. Correct? Total quantity of mixture in the vessel. Now what they're saying is, from each glass, this x liters of milk and water from each glass is poured into a vessel. Therefore, in the vessel, what is the total quantity of mixture? It is x from glass 1 plus x from glass 2, which gives me 2x of total mixture. Total 2x liters of mixture in the vessel. Therefore, total quantity of milk in the vessel will be what? Quantity of milk from the first glass, which is x by 2, plus quantity of milk from the second glass, which is 2x by 3. If you add it, you will get 7x by 6. What is the total quantity of water in the vessel? It is water from the first glass, which is x by 2, plus water from the second glass, which is x by 3, which gives me 5x by 6. Okay. Therefore, ratio of milk to water in the vessel is quantity of milk in the vessel divided by quantity of water in the vessel, which is 7x by 6 divided by 5x by 6. When you cross multiply, you will get 7 by 5, and that is the correct answer. Number 7, it's wrong, it's not 14, it's 7. Pure ghee costs rupees 100 per kg. After adulterating with vegetable oil of costing rupees 50 per kg, a shopkeeper sells the mixture at the rate of rupees 96 per kg, thereby making a profit of 20%. In what ratio does he mix the two? Okay, first of all, what do you mean by adulterating? Adulterating means make impure. So what is a shopkeeper doing? He's taking pure ghee, mixing it with vegetable oil, so it becomes less pure. It is not 100% ghee, it is mixed. You know, many people do that. You know, you have seen that, no? You have heard of it also. So this is the same what the shopkeeper is doing. He's mixing it and making it less pure by adding vegetable oil in some ratio, okay? And then he sells this mixture at the rate of 96 rupees per kg. He makes a profit of 20%. So in what ratio did he mix the ghee and the vegetable oil? Okay, so let's look at it. So cost of ghee is 100 rupees per kg. Cost of vegetable oil is 50 rupees per kg. Selling price of the mixture. The shopkeeper is selling this 1 kg of this mixture at 96 rupees per kg. Okay, and he's making a profit of 20%. Let the amount of ghee used in 1 kg of the mixture be equal to X. Therefore, amount of vegetable oil will be what? 1 minus X. Okay, how did I get 1? 1 is 1 kg of the mixture. So 1 kg of the mixture minus X kg of ghee is equal to the amount of vegetable oil. Therefore, cost of 1 kg of mixture will be 100 rupees into amount of ghee. This is the total cost of the ghee that is used in the mixture, plus 50 rupees into 1 minus X. This is the cost of the vegetable oil in the mixture. When you expand it, you will get 50x plus 50. Now, what is the profit that he makes? Selling price minus cost price. Divide, okay, we know that is a profit. But here we are not given the profit, we are given the profit margin of 20%. How do we write the profit margin? How do you calculate profit margin? Remember, we studied in our chapter on profit. Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100 is equal to profit margin. So instead of, so I can write into 100 here is equal to 20. Okay. When you cross multiply, you will get, so when you take the 100 from left hand side to right hand side, you'll get 20 divided by 100, which is 0.2. When you take the denominator from here till here, you will get this equation. When you solve it, you will get X is equal to 3 by 5 kg. This is 3/5, 3 by 5 kg of ghee is added in the mixture. Therefore, amount of vegetable oil used is 1 minus 3 by 5, which is 2 by 5. Therefore, ratio of ghee to vegetable oil is equal to amount of ghee divided by amount of vegetable oil. When you cross multiply, when you invert and cross multiply, you will get 3 by 2, which is the ratio of ghee to vegetable oil in the mixture. So it's correct. So this brings us to the end of this lecture. We will continue this topic in the next lecture. Please, please, please practice, because without that you're not going to learn. Okay, see you next time. Until then, take care and all the best.